Get litty.
What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. R1 Rider here. Today we're just out cruising. It's mid 50s out and a little sunny, sun's trying to come out. And we're gonna go ahead and bring Destiny to the shop. We're just going ahead and go get the chain lubed and adjusted, cleaned up a little bit. Go see my guys up at Armadillo's. Really good guys. They know Destiny very well. We have dumped a ton. Excuse me, a ton of money into her. So yeah, they know Destiny very well. I think they had her more than I did at one point. I mean, it was insane. I moved the mic a little bit. Hopefully the wind noise is down a lot more. I have it in the very front of my helmet, right in front of my mouth. I do have the dead cat over it, and I do have a small chin windscreen, so hopefully that helps. Before I kind of had it tucked in to the side of my cheek pad on the right side, right by where my mouth opens, and I guess I don't know if that was letting in a little bit too much air or what, but let me know down in the comments if there's anything I can do, like if there's anything I can stick over my... Hang on guys, my mom's calling. Hello? Oh Jesus, thank God he didn't hit me. I said thank God he didn't hit me. Alright, I love you. Bye. Alright guys, sorry about that. I'm sorry, I don't even know where we're at because I've got the attention span of a squirrel. But, sorry, yeah. Anyways, yep, we're bringing Destiny up to the shop. You guys can come along with me. Oh, that's where I was, the audio. Yeah, so, I moved it. Hopefully y'all can hear it a lot better. I don't know what else I can do. If there's anything I can, put over it before I put the dead cat in, but it seems to be alright. So, yeah, if you have any suggestions, put it down in the comments. If you know how I can reduce this wind noise. I have the helmet closed, I have the front vent shut. I've tried everything. I don't mind. So, let me know down in the comments. I really appreciate all the, ooh, what was that small voice crack? I really appreciate everybody's support on the channel recently. Just within a year I got over 1,000 subs, or actually I think it was just a little over a year I reached 1,000 subs, which doesn't seem like a lot, but it's pretty crazy in my books. You know, I never even expected to get 500, but some of my videos kind of, I don't want to say went viral, but a bunch of people saw, subscribed, and liked what they saw, so I went ahead and took a chance and got a moto blog set up. And I mean, you never know unless you try. I mean, it's something I've always thought was cool, and I've always looked up to a bunch of people. Dake Wheelie, Suburban Delinquent, Dick Rex Derek, Chase on Two Wheels, every single person you can think of, I'm subscribed to it with Dan, everybody except for pretty much him, you know, not subscribing to him. But I'm pretty much subscribed to every single other person. That's my life. I don't even have cable, dog. All I do is watch motorcycle YouTube videos. That's all I do, literally. I really don't even have cable. Where you guys are from, do you guys have squatted trucks? If y'all don't know what that is, that's where these high school kids and college kids, and sometimes adults that have mental disabilities, I guess is the way you can put it, they squat them. They drop the back end and raise the front kind of like this nasty dude, and they straight pipe the exhaust and everything else, and this sounds really disgusting, looks kind of stupid, actually look really stupid, but they just absolutely adore it and think that it's the best thing since sliced bread. throw a picture up on the screen here of a spotted truck comparison. Which, at that point, the headlights are just blinding everybody in the road. So, forget everyone else's vision. I just gotta see it. Oh man, finally, we are almost to Armadillo's. They're about 30 minutes away from my house. We don't have any local shops, and if they do, I don't know about them, but I usually just trust Armadillo's. I've been going there ever since I had my R6, really. I didn't even own my 300 long enough to really get it serviced at all. I like this turn here, but knowing there's cars here, everybody has their own specific turn that they like, and I'm more comfortable turning to the left, but yeah, I don't know why, but I mean, I can turn to the right, but I'm just way more comfortable on my left side. I don't know why, but I'm right-handed. That crackling pop though. That's still with the cat in too. Ooh, I hit that bolt and almost ate shit. They're like, oh god. It's R1 Rider. We'll be closed Sundays and Mondays, December 2nd. I thought you guys already closed on Sundays. Oh, Sundays and Mondays. Alright guys, let's go see if we can't get some service done to her. What up, Ken? How you doing? Good. Not much, been chilling. How you been? What up, Jay? What you been up to? Looking like a hoodlum.
Looking like it.
Yeah.
Taking the fifth sheet of the day?
Say what?
Taking the fifth sheet of the day?
Oh, I've been that way. God dang, what do you have? Chinese food?
Huh?
What do you have? Chinese food?
No. Yeah, guess he's sweet.
Oh, God.
Like cabbage.
Alright guys, shout out to Armadillo Cycles for taking care of me today. Jay, good job as always. I mean, he always does a phenomenal job. My bike is extremely dirty, don't worry about that. But yeah, Jay always takes care of me. He's an amazing dude. He's pretty much had my R1 in his hands ever since the day I got it. He's always done the work on it, so pretty good people here. Y'all come check them out if y'all need any work, if y'all are in the area. The only other major place I know about is Redline, and they're just pricier than all hell, and their people there are just, they don't even care about their jobs. Like, seriously, they don't care who you are, just nothing. They just don't care. will need another GoPro battery. Where do I want to be? I want to be right here. Just in case I got to skedaddle and get the hell up out of this noodle. What up, bro? You admiring? What happened to your hand, bro? What happened to your hand? Your hand broken? Me beating too hard? Yeah, it's alright. It happens to the best of us. Visor fogging up again, boy. Come on now. Alright guys, I'm just gonna stop real quick. I'm gonna go ahead and pick up some coils for my vape. Vape stuff. 21 to enter. Can y'all believe that? I cannot believe that they finally changed the smoking age to 21. It's crazy because now you 21 to just, you can go fight for your country at 18, but you can't nice bud. Well, thank you, buddy. Appreciate that. You can go fight for your country at 18, but you can't go smoke a cigarette or drink a beer. It's crazy. Where's Mr. C at? Doing an oil change today, Mr. C? Huh? Doing an oil change today?
Do what?
Doing an oil change today? Are you doing an oil change today?
No.
Oh, okay.
That's some antifreeze.
Oh, okay.
Pick that up. That's our toy.
Oh, okay. I need some coils today.
Okay.
The Baby Beast. I'll show you my vape.
Okay.
Hi.
Hello. What we have?
What's the difference between the red and the ball?
Very little. Very
That's what I
little.
thought.
If you're going to use Valley,
Yeah.
Valley's a relaxer.
Right.
Mango's an upper.
Right.
So,
Alright guys, I'm gonna head on home, go grab my little brother, have dinner at my house. Go get some gas. Just playing around too, that wasn't even a serious launch. Whew. She felt good though. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and end the vlog here, guys. It was just a quick vlog to see how the audio is coming out. I hope it's coming out more clear. If not, guys, again, I apologize, but we will get it working 100%. No more click